swims in the zoo pond. One hippo makes bubbles in the water. One hippo splashes with its big body. One hippo is in the zoo. Two elephants walk slowly in the enclosure. Two elephants spray water with their trunks. Two elephants stomp on the ground. Two elephants are in the zoo. Three giraffes stand very tall. Three giraffes eat leaves from the trees. Three giraffes drink water together. Three giraffes are in the zoo. Four lions rest on the warm ground. Four lions lie in the sun. Four lions stand up and walk. Four lions are in the zoo. Five seals swim in the pool. Five seals clap their flippers. Five seals slide into the water. Five seals are in the zoo. Let's count together one by one. Counting animals is so much fun. Clap your hands and count with me. 1, 2, 3, zoo animals. 6 monkeys jump and climb. 6 monkeys swing on ropes. 6 monkeys sit and eat. 6 monkeys are in the zoo. 7 penguins waddle together. 7 penguins dive into the water. 7 penguins swim and come back. 7 penguins are in the zoo. 8 turtles walk very slowly. 8 turtles crawl on the ground. 8 turtles hide in their shells. 8 turtles are in the zoo. 9 parrots sit on branches. 9 parrots flap their wings. 9 parrots fly across the enclosure. 9 parrots are in the zoo. 10 fish swim in the water. 10 fish move their tails. 10 fish go up and down. 10 fish are in the zoo. We counted all the animals today. You did! A great job! Hooray! Hooray! See you soon, friends. Bye-bye. Thanks for counting. Give a smile.